Hi guys, it's Matt Atoka. Welcome back to my channel. In this financial video, I'll be showing you guys how easily it is to buy and sell any cryptocurrency or any token at all from the Bybit app via the P2P method. This is going to be an easy and straightforward video showing you step-by-step method or process on how to buy or sell cryptocurrency from the Bybit app. I've been planning to do this video all this while, but here is this. Alright, if you are new to this channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I do like it if you are going to hit that like button so that YouTube will recommend this wonderful video to other people, and you will be helping someone to benefit more from this informative message I'm going to be passing through in this video. First of all, Bybit is in both the web and in the mobile app, okay? But this particular video now, I'm going to be teaching you how to buy and sell any cryptocurrency using the mobile app and not the web, though it is the same thing. All right, so let us go into the video. And if you are newly downloading this mobile app, you will be downloading this one that looks like this, okay? The one that the logo looks like this, or the app looks like this on the Play Store, okay? You can see it on the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. And please don't download any other one except the one that looks like this. You guys know that I cannot be doing this informative financial video like this without having something for you guys, okay? So the first 100 people to use the link on my bio, okay, the link on the description, to download this Bybit app and do their first P2P trading, at the comment section I'll be picking a random 10 people for my giveaway, and this giveaway will be $5 each. Now if you check the rate of $5 as of today, $1 is around 17 or 18. If you take 5 times 18, it's 9k. So for you to get your first 9,000 naira free of charge, all you need to do is just to use the link on the description. That is my own personal link to download the app from the Play Store or the Apple Store. Once you click on that link, it will lead you to Apple Store or Play Store, where you are going to be downloading this Bybit app. And once you have downloaded it using my link, okay, then the next thing you are going to do your first P2P trading, and then tell me your comment section. Tell me done on the comment section. I'll be picking the first 100 people to give them the giveaway. Just $5. I know that $5 is not too big, but it is a free money, so it's not equally too small. I'll be waiting for you at the comment section. Let's move. First of all, before we move into how to buy or sell through the P2P, you need to understand very well what is P2P. Now, P2P, the word P2P simply means peer-to-peer. That is me and you, just a transaction between the buyer and the seller. There is no middleman. For example, now a bank is a middleman. If I want to send you money now, it first gets to the bank first before it will get to you, okay? But P2P is in the sense that it is decentralized. Decentralized means we don't need a middleman. It is just between me and you. You send my account to me directly, I give you your money. We don't need any middleman, okay? So that is the meaning of that P2P, and it is what? Decentralized. So everything we're going to do is between the buyer and the seller. Now, the work of the Bybit app, the Bybit app is just a platform where the buyer has to market, so like a marketplace. It's a place where the buyer has to market what he or she wants to sell. Then the buyer has to see it there and then go ahead and click on that your own and then buy from you. Now, the major work of the Bybit is that they help you rate people that are very good in the business. People that are like, that is why if you buy anything from anybody from the Bybit, it's advisable you recommend, you give a review about that person. So they are going to place it accordingly, okay, according to the best person that have traded in that app, okay. And the very wonderful thing I love about the Bybit is that you cannot be scammed. Yes, you cannot be scammed. Once you purchase a coin from a particular person from the Bybit, the only thing they do is that when you make that payment and you tell them that, okay, we have made the payment, they are going to lock everybody's account and make sure that the person has received the money before they release it. So there is nothing like I sent money to him and he did not release my coin. No, it's not possible. As far as you have sent the money to the person, you click you have sent the money, Bybit is going to notify the person that this particular person just sent money. So once the person confirms the money, the person can now release the coin. So sorry about that. And if eventually the person did not release the coin, there's a place you can appeal. You appeal and tell them, oh, I sent money to this person and this person have refused to to release my coin. Then Bybit will now set in. They try to find out what the problem is. If it is the network problem, they will give them time, and with that range of time, they will now know what to do. Enough of the talk. Let's get into the business. All right, let's move right there. So the first thing we do is we open the Bybit app. Once you open the Bybit app, this is the interface. This is the home page, the first page you are going to see. So what we do is that is either we go to this P2P trading, see P2P trading here. If your own does not have this P2P trading here, then you have to click on more. You click on more. Now this is not a video to show you how to set up your Bybit account. The link is on my description if you want to know how to download and set up your Bybit account, to how to verify your Bybit using your either your NIN or your BVN. You can use your BVN to verify or use your NIN. So the link is on the description. You see how to do that. So this particular video is to show you how to buy and sell your coin via the P2P. So the next thing we do is we click on the P2P trading. Now there are two P2P there. Please look at another one. This P2P speed super deal. That's not what we're going to use. We're going to be using just P2P trading. So if you get to P2P trading, and they warn you that during the transaction, please use your own account to receive or send payment. If the counterparty doesn't use own account, you have the right to refuse it. Also, please don't use third party. Yes, these are the things you need to read, and then you acknowledge it. After acknowledging, now you now see the rate. The rate this particular person is selling is 1,653 naira. 1,653 naira. So then what you have to do is you click on this amount you are seeing here. This is the side of buy, while this is the side of sell. So we are buying now, so that is why we are on the side of buy. So you click on this amount. You click on this amount to filter. You put in how much own you want to buy. Maybe I just want to buy 5,000 naira own. Click on continue. Sorry, 5,000. You click on confirm. So see the person that wants to sell just 5,000 naira own, and his rate is 1,652. So you click on the person. Once you click on the person, you click, if you want to buy everything, you click all. You want to sell just 6,000 naira own. But if you don't want to buy everything, you can just remove this and put how much you want to buy. Once you put how much you want to buy, you click on this buy. Once you click on this buy now, it will lead you to where you will now see pay now. You click on that pay now. Once you click on that pay now, then you bring out his account number. You see where to copy the account number, and you see the account name and then the bank. Then you do the transfer. After doing the transfer, you click that you have paid the person. Okay, well, let me just do it once more again. Okay, so we are clicking buy. Once you click buy, your time will start reading. So your time will start reading. Due to network problem, for me, you click this pay now. You click pay now, and then you copy the account. See, you see this double this small thing by the side. If you click on it, it will show you that copy to click. They have copied the account. You see the account name. This one is money point. This is the account name. So you click that you have completed the payment. Payment complete. You click this payment complete before you do the transfer, because your time is already reading, and sometimes network do for trade, because if the time finish reading, it will just cancel the trade, and you might even done the transfer before then. And once the trade is cancelled, there's nothing you can do. So another thing you can do, you come to this place where you can chat the person up. Tell the person if he's online, he should drop his phone number in case if there's any problem, and the rest of them. This is where people will chat. So the next thing we do is what? We click that we have completed the payment. You click that you have completed the payment. Then you click here, then you click confirm. Once you click that confirm, what happened? The person will now check his or her. If you come to this place mistakenly, what you need to do is just click on this bell. Let me show you. It's going to show a bell here. So you click on the bell. Once you click on the bell, it will bring you back to that place you were buying coin. Okay, so this is still pending because I've not made the payment. Once the person confirms the payment, the person will automatically release the coin for you. Okay, so I'm going to cancel this thing. I have the right to cancel only 3 times. You have the right to cancel only 3 times. So I don't need all this. I don't have any reason to cancel, but I just want to cancel because I don't want to buy any coin. So we have cancelled this. So we have you have only 3 chances of canceling. You cannot cancel more than 3 times per day. More than 3 times per day. So that is it for buying. And when you are making transfer, please don't write that in your description. Don't write anything about cryptocurrency or about coin or anything in your description. Just write payment or whatever, any other thing apart from putting cryptocurrency or coin in it. Okay, so that is that. So if you want to see all your transaction, everything you have done, you go on top of this place. Sorry, you click on top of this thing that looks like book. This is where you see your order. If you click all, this one is the active order. If there's any active order, you now click all here. This is where you see the one you bought, the one that is cancelled. I have cancelled 2 for today, and so on and so forth. So that is that for buying. So let's go straight to selling. In selling, you click on this side of sell. Now, there is one problem with selling here. The problem is that the first set of people, in fact, the first set of people you are seeing are inflation. Their rates are always very high and it will not work. You understand? So if you want to buy, if you want to sell, sorry, check how much that they are you can buy. From the price you can buy is what you will know what you will sell. So in buying, they are buying 1,652. So there is no way they can be buying 1,600 and then they want to there's no way you will be buying, you are the one that is buying from them 1,600 and something. Then if you want to sell to them, they're not selling at 1,800 and something. It doesn't work. So all these things are inflation. So what you do is you go down to those that are selling the same rate. 1,000. So this is 1,000. Sorry, this is 1,652. So I'll look for something within that range. 1,652. All these ones, I'll try these ones. 1,658 may work, or I'll just go straight to 1,652. But I could try all these ones because they arrange it according to the people that want to sell higher. So, and in the side of buy, they will arrange it according to those that want to buy. Sorry, the side of buy is that they are selling. So they'll check the people that are selling low so that you can buy cheaper. But in the side of sell, they will check the people that are willing to buy higher so that you understand. So that's how they arrange it for you. So maybe I want to buy from this person, and this person, you look at it, the quantity he has is 1,332, and this is the rate he's selling. He wants to sell at 1,000. Sorry, he wants to buy, because I'm the one selling to him. He wants to buy at 1,655. And then the least he wants to buy is from 200,000 and above. So if I click on him now, I can now put the amount I want to sell to him. But if not, I can filter by clicking amount again. If I click amount, I put how much I am willing to sell to people. I can say maybe I want to sell maybe just 50,000 naira own, so that it can filter than looking for it one after the other. You see? So this person limits. Now this person wants to sell from 30,000 and above. I can buy from this guy. But why I can't buy from this guy is because the rate he's selling is 1,840, which is inflation. It will not work. I'm looking for the one that is selling for 1,000 here, like this one, 1,653 will work. I can click on him and then sell to him. Once you click on this all, you want to sell everything you have, or you click the amount of USDT you want to sell inside this place. You click the amount of USDT you want to sell. Why it's showing that red is because I do not have enough money on my crypto wallet. So that is it. Then after that, you check this payment method. You click on payment method. You now select the payment method you want to use, or you can add anyone you want to add. It's always by bank transfer. You put your account number, your name. Make sure the name you are using is the name that you use in registering this mobile app. Okay. So after that, you can now click on sell. You click on this sell now. Then the next thing they will do is you will not be waiting for the money. Once you receive the money, before you release the coin, please do not release the coin if you have not seen the money. Don't allow anybody pressure you. I have sent the money, please release the coin, because they will be chatting you from that chat box. Some scammers, they tell you, I have sent the money, it's network problem, release it, you will see it. Please do not release to anybody until you see it. If you have not seen the money, do not release. If not, let the person appeal so that Bybit can come in and settle the case for you. And then, or you tell the person to send the screenshot. The person can send a screenshot of the payment. You make sure you confirm it that it has entered your own account before you release it. So thank you very much for this video. Please don't forget to like this video. Ask your question on the comment section. I'll be coming right there in the comment section to answer your question. Then for my giveaway, if you are done with your own transaction and it works for you, tell us at the comment section. You'll be having a chance of winning my $5 giveaway. So Thank you very much for watching. Share to your friends. Good night. Bye bye.